Monthly HRA Calculator is a tool to help in computing the taxable HRA for each individual. This video explains the process to use this tool. Click on Utilities. Click on HRA Calculator. The monthly salary details have to be entered. Enter the basic salary, DA, and commission received, if any. The total will be displayed on the right side. Enter the HRA received, and if employee is residing in a metro, then the box has to be checked. Enter rent paid. Click on Calculate. The monthly taxable HRA will be calculated and displayed. This calculation can be verified from the income tax website also. If required, one can export the same to Excel. Click on Exit. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.